Let me show you the problem. The shingles looks fairly okay, but you can see somebody has patched this already, and that's a good job. Very not too bad. But you can see also, look, the shingles blew off here, and nails came off, and you can see the plywood. Okay, so instead of doing the whole roof, I want to show you how to patch, how to do it so you don't waste the money, and you can just continue from there to do the rest of the roof. Okay, so the area that I want to patch is around 10 feet. Let me see. One, two, let's say 8 feet. 6 feet, 7 feet. I'm going to cut an 8 feet strips right here, so I can cover this area of where it leaks, so I don't waste material. Okay. So I went to Home Depot, and here's my clip from Home Depot. What you should do and not do. I'm at Home Depot, and if you have a trailer home that's leaking or you need to replace a roof or something, I'm going to tell you what's the best and easiest way. First of all, don't get deceived by this. This is the worst thing to put on a roof. What does it say? Fiberglass, mineral, roll roofing. When it says roll roofing, I'm going to show you what it is. Look here. Look here. That's what it is. It's paper. You cannot put paper on your roof and think it's going to last. Maybe 3 years, 4 years, and you're done. They sell it for $52 a roll. Instead, spend that extra money, $116, and get this Liberty. It's SBS self-adhering cap sheet. SBS is like a rubber, modified rubber. Peel and stick. It says here, peel and stick. It is an amazing product. It is one of the best products on the market. But I want to show you how you can repair a trailer roof, leaks on a trailer roof. I haven't seen this roof. I don't know where the leaks are, but at least I'm going to show you. I'm taking these two rolls with me in case I need it, and I want to show you how to fix leaks on a trailer roof, trailer home, uh, a trailer house, trailer home, trailer. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, all right. Well, I'll see you on the roof. Drip edges. You're gonna always need a drip edge. It's the best thing to do. These things are so flimsy at Home Depot. It's the worst. They don't keep any good stuff. But I'm gonna show you what you can use. Something like this. See, it's rather thick. That's probably what I would use if I had to buy it at Home Depot. But you don't want to get the flimsy stuff. So let me get, I'll get this. This is fine. I'll get this. 2 pieces of this, okay? So this is, I don't know which one it is. 5.5 overhanging drip edge. See there? That's what I would get. But it's so flimsy. But this is the best they have here. Okay, let's go. All right. So now I'm gonna show you how to make it very easy for you. Okay. All right. So I'm 67 or 68 almost. I don't have the strength to carry a roll up there. What I do is I take a roll and I roll it out. I don't have a tape measure, so I'm going to just have to do it 1, 2, and 8. This is around 8 feet right here. And you cut it. Now, what I do is I use a hook blade like that. That makes it easier. And I cut it like that. Nice straight line. All right. So I want 2, 3, I think three lengths. So roll it out. Okay. Let's try to get them equal lengths. Right there. Okay. So I cut this. Same thing again. So let me show you how easy it is to fix this. And you can do all this by yourself. Okay, this is a little bit heavy, but you can do one section at a time. 16 feet, half a roll, 50 pounds. Remove the nails, loose nails. Make sure you don't have nails lying around. All right. So making a repair on a trailer. Normally, I would put a drip edge like this down. All right. So I'm gonna cut these shingles back to the old drip edge. Okay, there's the old drip edge. You see that? Because the shingles are overhanging too much. So, see the shingles overhanging? You want to cut this away to the drip edge. See, like that? Okay. That's better. That's it. Because the shingles are always overhanging a little bit, so you want to cut it away. Okay? Then you put your drip edge like this. Something. I go with the angle. I got it all lined up. Now what you do is you take the bottom plastic off. Okay. Take the other plastic off here. And that's it. That's how easy it is. Look. So I got it lined up. Just like that. I want to show you. Watch. Remove the plastic. Oh, sometimes it doesn't remove easy. All right. Done. You take the plastic and the other plastic from the other roll together. You take it out together, okay? And you peel it off. Now look. That's how you do it. This will never leak again. And will last 40 years or more. This is unbelievable material. So, this was done about 5 years ago. And look, they didn't even do it professionally. And look, it's working good. All right. Now, to overlap all the way, or you can cut it just the other side of the ridge, like this, with a hook blade. All right. I don't have a chalk line to snap a line, so I just do it eyeballing. It probably took me a half an hour to do this. This is it. This roof will last, this patch will last, and then next time you just continue overlapping maybe 6 inches, and just continue with it. You don't need to do the whole roof at once. This was like $100 worth of material. I covered this area, and you can continue. Now when it gets hot, it's going to start sticking. The sun is just barely coming out and it's already starting to stick. Look, see, look, it's starting to stick. So you don't need to worry about the wind lifting it up or nothing. I step on it and look, watch, watch. I can barely lift it up. You see that? That's it. About a year ago, to also fix some two leaks here around the vent pipes. And here is what it looks like. I fixed around the vent pipe here, and here's the video on that particular repair I did here. See this? It's cracked open. Water just goes in there. So this is notorious to break up. Now, what you do is you can replace it with something like this, but I don't have the right size. Look, this is for a 2-inch or 3-inch pipe. It's just too wide, see? So what you do is you remove all the shingles, and then you put this on there. And you slide it over this, and this will be tight to the pipe like this one used to be. But I don't want to remove nothing here. I just want to fix what's here until we do the roof here, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. There's another one here. See there? It's starting to go. I use super silicone. See that? I hope you can see that. And I do it very quickly. Of a fleece, let's say just like that. And then I don't know if it's big enough. Yeah, it should be. And all I do is I cut tabs in here. So look how easy this is. Tabs. Scissors are blunt. And just like that, I can seal this. Just like that. Boom. Will it work? Yeah, it will work. Maybe too long. Maybe cut it. Want to close that tab there. Just like that. See that? So this is how I do it. A quick fix. It will last. Oh, I forgot. Wow, I should have removed this. Okay. And there, and there. And that's it. You got your flashing is fixed. Just easy as that. Look at that. Now. And here, look here. And they're okay. No leaks. I fixed around the vent pipe. So you can do it. Thank you for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.